One of the most powerful and most important SEO tools is the Google Search Console, which is known as before Google Webmaster tool. Google Search Console is a free tool provided by Google. Google Search Console has a number of tools which help you measure your site's search traffic, review your index coverage, website speed, backlinks and many more. In this video, you will learn how to add your website to Google Search Console. Step 1. Create an account with Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console website and click Start Now. If you already have a Google account, you can log in directly, otherwise create an account and then log in. Step 2. Add your website. Click Add Property by clicking the Search Property drop-down. Enter your website's URL and click Continue. Note here, Google treats HTTP and HTTPS URLs differently, as well as www and without www. The next step is to verify the ownership of the website. There are 5 main ways to do this. We can use any of these steps. HTML file verification, HTML tag verification, Google Analytics verification, Google Tag Manager verification, domain name provider verification. Here, I am going to choose HTML file verification method. For this, you need to download the given HTML file and upload it to the root folder of your website. Once HTML file uploaded, you can click the Verify button and continue. Now the website is verified. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.